Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing Valentine's Day Tic Tac Toe Pouches. Let's get started. I will be using the pattern that's in design space of the Tic Tac Toe. And I'm going to resize it to 4 inches so that it will fit my pouches perfectly. And I'm going to get ready to prepare my mat and cut out the shape. For the Tic Tac Toe part, I will be using HTV. And for the X and O's, I will be using craft foam. Once we have the shapes cut out, I'm going to weed my cut. Next, I'm going to make sure that my mini iron is plugged in. Grab my pouch. And grab the grid for the tic-tac-toe. I will be ironing this down. And there you have it, your custom Tic Tac Toe pouches. I think I will be gifting this to the kids for Valentine's Day. So let me know what you think. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And as always, stay ambitious.